Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for ribs. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a good quality ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, and a touch of molasses for that deep, rich flavor. We'll then combine these with a few key spices to build a sauce that truly elevates your ribs. Let's get started on creating that perfect homemade taste. For our base, we'll use 2 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of molasses. Next, add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder for that classic barbecue aroma.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial advice. You can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video.
Begin by combining the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, molasses, Worcestershire sauce, and Dijon mustard in a medium saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Whisk in the brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder until everything is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat to low and cook for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring often until it thickens. Now for the fun part, customizing. Taste your sauce and decide if you want it sweeter. Add another tablespoon of brown sugar or a drizzle of honey. For more tang, a splash of extra apple cider vinegar works wonders. If you like a kick, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce will do the trick. Make it truly yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.